it's a bit fucked up. Medium okay. This village is called Đông Hồ. It's like 30 kilometers from Hanoi. Famous for two things. This is the village where they make all these paper, fake money, horses, stuff that they burn in the pagodas or in the street. And for a special kind of rice paper painting, folk painting. Super popular during the Tet, the Chinese New Year. All families buy it to decorate their home with these paintings. Long time ago there were plenty of families producing those paintings. Nowadays it's only 3 families. And this is one of the families. Didn't here, we will soon visit them.
This guy? Not here.
And actually after the American War, this culture was almost disappearing. But Sweden supported. They donated quite a lot of money to preserve this special method. Classical motifs with animals and people and history. A school situation where the kids are playing, so to speak. In this case, they are frogs. There are some funny ones about cheating. This one. This one is fun. This is the man, and this is his lover, and that's the wife. Coming home, and she has a scissor in her hand, and she wants to cut the hair off the lover of the husband.
the hair or?
Yeah, a little bit blurry. And it says something in Chinese. I don't remember exactly, but that's a funny one. This is the school where the cat is the teacher, so to speak, and all the mouses comes with gifts for the cat to please the teacher. Everything is handmade, and all the colors are organic. So it's the white color, for example, is seashells.
Is it expensive?
They are cost nothing. This is for families to buy and decorate the home. And this is the former president getting one of these paintings. That's the master himself with some decoration. Che. That's the name of the guy. And you print in different layers depending on the color. So to make one of these, for example, I think it's like 1 week work to carve all and everything. It looks like this by the end.
And then they make prints.
And this is the most famous family.
And this guy is one of them? Or?
No, he's just the taking care of the motorbikes.
Gatekeeper.
Yeah. You can buy on the way back because we parked the bikes here.
Yes. I'm sure it will be closed when we come back.
Or you want to make one yourself? It takes 2 minutes.
Okay.
It costs 80,000 dong. We're going to that place now.
Yeah.
That's a second family, by the way, making. Xin chào. Ôi, đẹp.
Đấy, đang in bật điện lên cho sáng nha.
Similar. That's the big version of the cat. The mouse is giving gifts. And that's the mom cheating the wife. There's not a house in Vietnam
That
doesn't have this kind of rice paper.
It's a fat child riding a cat.
Ciao anh.
Hello.
A cup of tea. Come on.
Okay.
5 come on.
5 layers. Okay. 5 different layers.
1,
2, 3.
3, 4.
And then
5.
More than.
Màu
So now comes the black. One cup. Only 1 cup, please.
No, it doesn't work in this country.
Bye.
Okay.
See you.
What's working for you?
Number 1. One. Okay.
Number 1. Cả hai. Okay. Cả.
Bao nhiêu tiền?
Low. Gift for you.
No,
Gift for you.
we pay. Okay.
See you again.
Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Bye bye. The cheating painting.
Yes.
It's like a ghost town.
It's incredible because last time it was so much traffic with all. Of course, that was during yeah. You see, this is the kind of factory
For the
where they make
paper.
all the
So even the shops are closed. We cannot buy the horses.
This is perfect. This is such a surrealistic view. Paper horses. Hello.
And they're supposed to be burned also.
There. You buy them. You remember when we went to the sausage village?
Yeah.
They had
This
those
one's
horses
outside,
the
a
pagoda.
bit smaller, but
So probably after this ceremony, or what it's called, they burn it.
you have to have better control on the Vietnamese calendar. Probably it's a huge day,
Yeah.
but the specialty of the day is that you stay home. It's either too many people and too noisy, or nobody and completely quiet.
Hello. Let's see if this guy remembers. Same but different.
Yeah.
Gia, can he try? So Mirko, make your first rice paper.
And last probably.
My
Here comes the master.
anh ơi, again.
Ông bạn Mỹ sao ạ?
Thụy Điển.
Thụy Điển.
Vâng.
Thụy Điển.
From Italy.
Italy. Ngồi nước.
Can he try to make a painting?
Anh ấy có thể thử vẽ một bức tranh không?
In á. Có màu đen không? Thế nào? Nếu muốn in trải nghiệm thì 60k, 60.000 Việt Nam.
If you want to print the experience, then.
Yeah. Let's print the experience.
So please have a seat.
I need instructions because.
Yeah. She will teach you. You will do the pig.
Yeah.
I think it's the pig.
I like the pig. She didn't choose the cheating guy.
I think she will show you.
I hope she will.
Yeah. That's the black color.
I do the final touch one.
Yeah.
I think it's wise. Looks like black magic.
So far, so
I
easy.
haven't contributed much, but yeah, there are 2 dots. Yes. Exactly.
You have to find the 2 dots. So try to find the dots.
Yeah. She will do it. It's no problem. So maybe. So. And then. I think it's completely wrong.
Well, let's see. Don't destroy the paper.
Yeah.
He do the finish.
I was afraid to. I thought it would move.
Okay.
Okay. It's
A bit fucked up. Medium okay.
medium okay.
I don't know.
It's a bit blurred.
6 points out of 10.
Blurred. Yeah. I don't know. I have to see the original to judge.
That's the original.
It went a bit wrong. That's in focus, full focus.
Yeah. This is, yeah, when you wake up on the Sunday morning.
Yeah.
Now it's time to pay.
Hey.
Bao nhiêu tiền?
60.000 Việt Nam đồng.
60,000.
Okay. I'll survive this. But can I keep it then?
Yeah. It's yours.
They will never manage to.
No.
this one.
No.
The master was drunk.
Mỗi ông mua một cái tranh để bàn này rất rẻ tiền, nhưng mà di sản văn hóa để mọi người cùng biết.
Each man bought a picture of this table, very cheap but cultural heritage for everyone to know.
Mọi người biết là mình đã đến có di sản trong tay.
Okay.
Mọi người biết mình có di sản trong tay.
Thế à?
Có tiền không thể mang ra khoe được, nhưng có di sản khoe được.
Yep.
Để bàn làm việc luôn. Đấy, ngồi làm việc đây nhá. Làm việc ở đây. Ai vào cũng biết. Ai biết, ai vào cũng biết là mình có di sản.
Okay.
Tiền không mang ra khoe được, nhưng mà di sản bày ở bàn là khoe được.
The flying bird.
Chúc. Mỗi ông cái chúc.
Yeah.
Wait,
Chúc.
this is getting stressful.
Now it's picture time.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
understand.
Có đấy, điện thoại đâu? Nói bấm chưa?
Yeah. You want to film? This will be a catastrophe. Yes, this is the ceiling.
Yeah.
So. Wonderful.
Perfect.
Supporting the heritage.
Yes.
Ok.
Cảm ơn anh.
Thank
Cảm ơn
you.
anh.
Điều đấy nữa.
Okay.
Đây. Qua đây. Tiếp tục.
He wants to film with this.
Yeah, but he fucked it up. So. Yeah, now. It's looking up again. So.
Rồi.
Okay.
Có phải bấm không?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Take care.
Hẹn gặp lại.
Hẹn gặp lại.
It was half price.
Half price discount. Buy one get two.
Ah, here.
Yeah, that's the garbage from the leftovers.
Leftovers.
Around Hanoi. Each village has their own, speciality. Yesterday I heard there are one village that are focused on making bird cages in wood, and one makes this. What's it called? The one you put in the pagoda and you light it and it smells.
It sells sticks. So.
Yes.
And this is paper.
This is paper.
And before the end of the day, we have to understand where all the people are.
It's totally crazy.